Welcome to Motivational Voice. Before we begin, I want you to take a deep breath and listen to your heart. Have you ever wanted something so badly, a job, a person, or a dream, that your life felt empty without it? Have you stayed awake for nights, crying in the silence, whispering a name or a prayer with every breath? You tried to control everything. You tried to fix every broken piece, but it felt like dry sand slipping through your fingers. The harder you pulled, the more you felt like you were breaking. If you were going through this pain of exhaustion today, this story is a mirror to your soul. It's the story of Arvi, a boy who learned that sometimes the only way to win is to let go. Also, for those who want to improve their English, pay close attention to how we use simple, emotional words to describe the deepest human feelings. This is not just a story, it's a lesson for your life and your language. Let's begin.
Many years ago, in a small mountain village where the morning mist felt like a cold blanket, lived a young man named Arvi. Arvi didn't have a luxurious life. His world was small, but his dreams were massive. He lived with his aging father and a mother who was constantly ill. In that village, poverty wasn't just a word, it was a daily reality. Arvi saw his father's bent back and his mother's pale face every evening. To save money, they would turn off the kerosene lamps before dinner. Arvi would sit in the dark, feeling the weight of the silence. He made a vow. One day, I will tear this poverty apart. I will bring light to this house that never fades.
While other boys spent their afternoons swimming in the river or playing under the banyan tree, Arvi was different. He would wake up at 4 a.m. The water was freezing, but he didn't care. He would study under the dim light of a flickering lamp until his eyes burned. "Arvi, go to sleep, son," his mother would whisper. He would smile and reply, "Just a little more, Mother, just a bit more." He topped every exam, but the path ahead was blocked by a wall of gold, money. When he got a chance to study in a big city college, his father looked down at his empty hands and said, "I have no money to send you, Arvi." Arvi didn't cry. He looked at the horizon and said, "I will find my own way."
Arvi moved to the city, but the city was a concrete jungle that didn't care about his dreams. To pay for his books and his mother's medicine, he worked as a laborer. He carried heavy sacks on his back until his spine felt like it would snap. During the day, he was a student. At night, he was a dishwasher at a tea stall. His hands were covered in blisters. His stomach was often empty. He kept his savings in a torn old envelope under his pillow. Every night he would touch that envelope and whisper, "Just a little more, then Mom will be okay." Years passed. Arvi graduated, but life didn't get easier. He gave one interview after another. He wore his only iron shirt, but he was rejected every time. First time, not enough experience. Second time, we found someone better. Third, fourth, 10th time, silence. Arvi started working 18 hours a day. He stopped sleeping. He stopped laughing. His eyes were sunken and his spirit was breaking. He kept asking the universe, "Am I not enough? Why is life so cruel when I am trying so hard?" One rainy night, the sky opened up. Arvi was walking home, soaked to the bone. Suddenly, the world spun. He collapsed on the muddy road. When he woke up, he was in a small hospital bed. His mother was crying next to him. The doctor came in and said sternly, "Your body is giving up. You have pushed yourself beyond the limit. If you don't stop now, you won't survive to see your dreams come true." Arvi was forced to stay in bed for weeks. For the first time in years, he had nothing to do. He watched the rain from the window. He watched the clouds move slowly. He stopped fighting. He stopped planning. He surrendered to his fate. He let go of the envelope, the job, and the struggle. He just breathed. It was a letter from a prestigious company. They had seen his old academic records and heard about his dedication from an old teacher. They offered him a high-ranking position. Arvi cried, not because he won, but because he realized the reward came when he finally stopped chasing it like a madman. Years later, as a successful man, Arvi met a young boy who was as stressed as he once was. Arvi took him to a tree he had planted. "I used to pull the leaves of this tree to make it grow faster," Arvi said, "but the leaves just died. Then I stopped. I just gave it water and let it be. And look at it now. It's huge." Arvi looked at the boy and said, "When you hold a bird too tight, it cannot fly. When you hold a dream too tight, it cannot breathe. Do your work, but then let go. Trust the river of life." Arvi's journey teaches us a profound truth. Life is like a river. If you try to swim against the current with all your strength, you will eventually drown from exhaustion. But if you learn to float, the river itself will carry you to the shore. So, my friend, if you are tired today, it's okay to stop. It's okay to rest. You are not weak, you are just human. Don't hold your dreams so tight that they cannot breathe. Do your work, give your best, and then trust the process. If you found a moment of peace in this story, please share it with someone who is struggling right now. Let's grow this community of hope together. For those learning English, try to use the words surrender and patience in your own sentences today. Subscribe to Motivational Voice for more stories that heal the heart. Keep learning, keep breathing, and remember, your light will shine when the time is right. See you in the next video.